Okay, I'm Weiland. Today I want to start our video with a disclaimer. As you can tell from the title, this is going to be yet another 2 minutes of me harping on the pitfalls of multi-POVs. However, none of this is to say that multiple POVs are inherently bad or wrong. I love multiple POVs. Every single one of my stories has featured multiple POVs. So don't take this to mean that you should never write multiple POVs. Take it to mean that multiple POVs should be approached with caution because they're difficult. The more POVs you include in a story, the more you'll have going on, the more threads you'll have to keep track of, and the more room you'll have to make mistakes. With that in mind, here is yet another danger to be aware of as you consider how many POVs to include in your story. Boiled down to its lowest common denominator, this pitfall has to do with the fact that POVs take up space. The more POV characters you include in a story, the longer the book is likely to be. Nothing wrong with that on the surface, except you can very easily end up with a very long book in which not a whole lot happens. This is particularly true if your POV characters are not interacting with each other. If you have what essentially amounts to half a dozen separate stories happening simultaneously, you're going to need a ridiculously large amount of space to make sure that enough stuff happens within each POV. So what do you do about this? The first step, of course, is to make sure that all your POV characters really are necessary. Once you've analyzed them and made sure that they are necessary, your next step is to boil everything down to essentials. Figure out which events need to happen within each POV and focus on them first. What you want to avoid is stretching your plot so thin to encompass all these POVs that readers get bored waiting for something to happen.